Hello everyone, today I'm going to be telling you about this homemade super bright flashlight that I made. It runs on a LiPo battery, a 3S battery to be exact, and it should be around 12 volts. First off, why is this flashlight so cool? Well, to explain that, I'll have to show you a comparison. This is just a normal green flashlight. It's LED, it's pretty bright. But if I measure how many amps it draws, it's about 0.15 or 14 amps, which is barely anything. But if I measure how many amps just a single LED from my flashlight draws, it draws about 0.45 or 47 amps. What that means is that if you wanted to match the power of my flashlight by using these green flashlights, you'd have to have over 125 of them. The first test is in a mostly dark room. This is the green flashlight, just for a comparison. And now my flashlight. Now I'm outside where you can barely see from the moonlight. Here's the green flashlight. And now my flashlight. Well, that's about it. Thanks for watching.